Hello everyone, you are welcome to Minced Tasty Meals. I have in my kitchen Yuri from Hungary. Yuri is going to prepare us a Hungarian or European dish called goulash. So get your seats and let's get into the process. Thank you.
Our Hungarian style beef stew, it's known as a goulash, right? And explain the ingredients. First of all, the cut onion. This is the first I start to roast in a small oil, and then I put the tomato and paprika, also cut, and again roast them together. And when it's caramelized and I look it's good, I put every other ingredients together, like the beef, garlic, pepper, red paprika powder, cumin, and salt.
All what he's saying is he has chopped paprika here, chopped onions, this is sliced beef, chopped tomatoes, garlic, some spices, oil, salt. More wanted broth so or say or paprika ye friend green pepper and I say yellow pepper. What you try onion. This is onion you a jenny. And our beef medium the tree. What you try beef ewaha, and what you try the tomatoes and so ewaha, and what you try garlic ewaha, and there be entry different from beef. And our oil, salt, black pepper, red pepper, and some natural spices. It's young corner young start your process, Madam say.
So there's the onion. Yeah, it's enough. You need to mix it continuously, not to burn the onion.
Okay.
And it takes a long time, half hour, and the onion becomes yellow gold. Beginning. You need to scrape the bottom, not to burn.
Make taste meals, oh taste and see. From Ghana to the Netherlands, come cook with me. Spice it up, stir it right, let the cutter shine bright.
All the
Make
vegetables.
taste meal, we're cooking live. Jollof rice on the fire, aroma in the air. Kelewele with that pepper, love is everywhere. From fufu to banku, plantain on the side. Take a journey with your taste buds, let the flavors collide. Make taste meals, oh taste and see. Oh yeah. From Ghana to the Netherlands, come cook with me. Oh yeah. Spice it up, stir it right, let the culture shine bright. Make taste meals, was we're cooking life. Add the spice, spice it up, stir the pot, don't you stop. Serve with love, yes we rise. African culture worldwide. Add the spice, spice it up, stir the pot, don't you stop. Serve with love, yes we rise. African culture worldwide. From the kitchen to your
Done.
Let's try.
I'm going to prove it.
Papa, your climate is nice.
Yeah,
It's
how do you
nice.
like it?
Yeah.
Good.
Nice.
It's a little bit warm.